Authentic barbacoa is made with beef cheeks, as I show here, also can be used with beef tongue. You want to chop the meat into small cubes to brown with salt and pepper on, preferably on a nice hot cast iron skillet. Again, just brown the meat. We're going to add salt and pepper in the crock pot. Wash as you go. We're going to deglaze the pan to get the good juices for the meat to cook in. Cook on low for 12 to 16 hours in the crock pot. Remove the skin from the tongue. It comes off easy now. Then we will shred the meat. It's looking beautiful. Time to heat the skillet to cook your tortillas. Quickly toast your corn tortillas. Throw some avocado like I did here. Pile the tacos on with meat, cheddar cheese, cilantro and onions if you want, and enjoy. Oh man, so good. Enjoy your barbacoa.